Hello everyone, in our phonics, today we are going to learn a stretchy sound. Stretchy sound, but it's a little bit tricky even for me. So, what's this? It's a throne. It's where the king or the queen sits, or anywhere that you like sitting down is your throne. Just like me, I have my own throne. So, the sound is v, v, or there's a wind. You can actually stick your tongue a little bit if you like. Or good job. Now my turn. Throne. Thumb. This thumb. Three. The number 3. Think. I think you are very clever. Okay, so the sound or looks like this. There's 2 letters that makes one sound. So the t and h makes the sound. Okay, how would you know that it is? It says, who's at the back here? There's a tower and the horse. Horse rescued the princess in the tower, and she said, "Thank you." My turn. The horse rescued the princess in the tower. So the princess said, "Thank you." Good job. Now, this is the sound. Throne. Good job. Now we are going to hide it here. See if we can find it. Just say, this is very tricky. If you see it, you just say, "There you are." Okay, hiding it. Are you ready? Good job. Umbrella. There you are already. So quick. Now again. Don't even forget to say, "There you are." Yep, there you are. Good job. Egg. Insect. Worm. Good job. Boot. Dinosaur. There you are. Ooh, exactly. The word "there" also starts with the sound. There you are. Oh, good job. Right, we will go and have a look at our blending, okay? Where's Kelly? Kelly, where are you? Oh, there you are. Kelly's a bit cold today. It's cold here at the moment, so let's snuggle up with Kelly instead. Let's hold her there so that I can hear her. Yes, Kelly. Kelly says, in, win. Good job. Next one, Kelly. Wet. Good job. Next one, Kelly. Mom. Good job. You miss your mom, Kelly. Let's give her a call tonight, okay? Next one. Ooh, okay. So I think Kelly wants to go here. Bed. You want to go to bed, don't you, Kelly? Good job. Well done, guys. Now we are going to go and practice handwriting, okay? I'll put you down there, Kelly, for a bit, okay? So our sound or are both tall letter. Tall. It goes up above the blue lines, okay? So they are both tall, like the T. It goes down the tower, across the tower, and the H goes down the horse's neck to the hooves and over his back. Two letters make one sound. Or, okay, good job. Let's go handwriting. The T and the H that makes the sound V, they are both, not that one. Where are you? Let me find it. There you are. Now if we go handwriting, the T and the H are both tall letter. Tall letter, you go up there. Tall letter, okay? So they both go up above the blue line, okay? So you know how to write the T. Ready? And it goes down the tower, across the tower, and is down the horse's neck to the hoof and over his back. Down the tower, across the tower, down the horse's neck to its hoof and over his back. Okay, let's go to the handwriting. Now to write a V sound, we have two letters. And the first letter is the T. It goes down the tower, across the tower, and down the horse's neck to the hoof and over his back. Okay, one more time. Down the tower, across the tower, and down the horse's neck to the hoof and over his back. One more time. Throne. Thumb. Three. The number 3. Think. I think you're clever. There you are. They are both tall letter, starting from the top going down. T and the H. Okay, now what other tall letters that you know? O is a tall letter. Back is a tall letter. D is also a tall letter. B is also a tall letter. Don't forget that it starts from the top going down. T and H. Okay, one more time. T and H. T and H. T. Good job. Well done, everyone.